Hey everybody, it's your girl Shawty Sin. If you're new here, every episode is kind of different. And if you came back, this one is also different. Because girl, I'm not chit-chatting. It's silence. But if you want to see how I achieve this look, keep on watching. In the beginning, obviously, I was rushing, so I was like, I don't want to do any talking, but this is the look. I think the lighting is like washing it out a little bit more because there's a little bit more structure to my face. Like there is a bronze contour and stuff. Like if I turn, maybe you kind of see it, but like right here, just giving moon emoji. But I'm loving this. I added like 2 lashes because it was just like a little empty. I wanted to go like full lash, but I'm glad I just did this. And now we're gonna do the lip combo. This is Pillow Talk Intense. Oh snap. Dang it, doodle. Okay, let's push it back. I gotta rub off this lip balm. Sometimes if you put too much lip balm, the lip liners and everything just spreads a little too much. So I'm getting ready for date night. Right now I'm kind of done. I'm trying to find some shapewear. And then lotionize my full body, perfume eye. Like I feel like I have all the stuff I always want to use, like a good perfume and a good heel and a good, all of that. So I'm excited. And I feel like I have time because it's 7:20. 28, and I need to be ready at 8, but I'm like, no, Cynthia, you need to be ready at 7:45 so I can film my little tiki-talkies and this and that and all that good stuff. But I think I'm gonna do the lip combo and end it with you guys. I'm gonna do a little bit of Galactic in this shade, I don't even know, it's just 21, 25, and 6. It's a little ugly, just on the bare lip. That's why you do a lip balm over it. This ColourPop's so glossy. See, I gotta put deodorant on. Got a lot to do. See, it's all those small nicky-nacky things I feel like catch up to me. Deodorant, like last layer setting spray. A nude lip is always going to do it for me. Every single time. And the ombre on this is so good. That's what a lot of people forget to do, blend that ombre out. And if that's the look you're going for, sure. But sometimes it looks better when they're blended. Last and but not least, the Jumbo, the one size spray. This is like normally my go-to to lock it in. Freaking frackin' frack, yeah. I just saw this girl do that. She did a matte lip and then sprayed it and she was like, it's untouchable. And I was like, you know what? You know, you might as well try while we're here. On that note, thank you so much for watching this look. It's different from the Chit-Chat. Do you like it? Do you hate it? Do you want me to talk? What's the vibe? I love this look. I'm so happy about it. It's basic. It is a basic girl, but I wanted a beat face, you know? And a beat face is what we have. I'm feeling good. I feel like cute montage, slow motion. Oof, we love it. Also, it's been literal years since I straightened my hair and I'm like, girl, where did she come from? Look at this. If I had more time, I would literally be putting extensions in, but I feel good. I'm feeling hot. I'm feeling sexy. I need lotion. I see it's 7:31. I'm already wasting time. But thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please subscribe to this channel. I think it's cool. Even if you don't want to watch it all the time, just subscribe. Like, it's that easy.